Wyoming Rick Treasure Reveal. This box looks really beat up. This came from a small town bank that I drove to get these coins from. Last time I got coins at this bank, I got 6 war nickels and a lot of old ones. Didn't get no buffalo nickels, but I got some more nickels. So I want to see what happens this time. This is easy to tear open because the box is really rickety. But that's the nickels that's in the box. So there's 50 of them. Rows in there, so 2,000 nickel hunt. This would be hunt number 4 of 7 in the 18,000 nickel hunt that I'm on, that I'm doing starting yesterday, starting with 2 bags of 4,000 each, and now this is my second box of 2,000, so this will be 12,000 nickels searched after I get this one done. When I get to the end and get through my 7th hunt, I'm going to give you a number on what I found. And I got all these nickels, 5 different towns. So I'm just trying to see if I can find some places that produce. The last time I got nickels here, though, it was really good. So I'm going to get on the hunt here, and I'll get back with you just as soon as I find something. Okay, we went through 4 rows so far, and this is what we found so far in 1952, but everything as far as date goes on these nickels, remember this box is really rickety and old looking. I think these coins have been in this box unless we find something newer than 2014, since 2014, because that's the newest nickels we found in all 4 rows that me and my wife has went through so far. So I think that could be a good sign. So maybe we'll find a lot of goodies in here. 1 so far, and I'll keep looking, see what else we can find. Okay, row number 6 produced in 1940. And out of these 6 rows, the newest coins we have found is 2014. So it does kind of make sense. When you look at an old box, you think, well, you know how it is, that box. Well, I can guarantee this box is at least 10 years old, because the newest coins we found is 2014. And so I don't think we'll find anything. I know we won't find no 2024s. If we do, I don't know how that happened. But it's not going to happen. But anyway, maybe it's a sign we'll find some war nickels and buffalo nickels. Like I said, I got 6 war nickels last time I got a box from this bank. Actually, they didn't have those in a box. They just gave them to me in rows. So anyway, back to the hunt. Okay, row number 8 of 1940. Come on, buffalo nickels and B nickels, where are you? This box is at least 10 years old, so we'll see if you got any of them things in there. They need to be. Come on now, let's go. War nickels, where are you? Row 9 of 1959. Row 11 gave us a 1941. So 39 rows to go in this rickety old box. So like I said, the newest we found is 2014. So you'd think we'd get lucky and find some buffaloes or something. Well, we'll see. Row 13, give up a 1954. So that gives me 3 50s and 3 40s. I think it's safe to say I'll see no 2024s, since the newest coin I'm finding in here is 2014. So, but you'd think I'd find some buffaloes or something, but have not yet. So I'm fixing to open another row right now. Row number 23, a 1947 and a 1958. So that's 4 of each of the 40s and the 50s. Not finding anything else. It's unbelievable. I think when this box got packed away 10 years ago, there must have been a teller working at that bank that knew to pick out the good stuff. But look at the 2014s, how shiny they are. I mean, they are super shiny. I'm finding tons of them. We got tons of them pitched over here in the throwaway pile to take back to the bank. I'm going to look on my phone and see if 2014s, after I get done with this hunt, if they're in pristine conditions, if you can get anything out of them before I throw them back in there. So anyway, we're about halfway through. We'll get it done and we'll see what else we find. Row 24, found kind of a spotted up 1951, and it has a S-Mint, I think. Let me turn that over here. Yeah, an S-Mint. So I'm going to keep that, probably put it in the coin flip. We are halfway through the hunt. Roll number 34, a 1958 and a 1941. I think whoever sealed this box up 10 years ago with the coins off the machine rolled, I think they must have picked out all the Buffalo nickels and possible war nickels, because, listen, there's none of that in here. And this is all I have found on the hunt out of 30-something rows. So that tells me a lot right there. So, all right, got about 15 rows to go. Okay, got an update for you. Did find a 2009 D. We did finally find 2015 D. So, after 30-something rows, but everything else has been on the newest 2014. So I don't understand that, unless the 2015s have just come out and they just happen to have one. So anyway, this box has been there since at least 2015 then. So it could still be 10 years old. Got a few rows left. Row 40 gives us a 1949. So that's about 640s. 640s and 650s and one 2009D. That's all we found so far. 10 rows to go. Row 45 gave us a 1948. So that adds to the 40s pile. The 50s pile is about equal in 2009D, and that is it. Slim pickings on this hunt, and I think I know how it happened. Whoever put this box together 10 years ago must have knew what to pull out and what to keep. So that's kind of what I'm thinking here. Okay, hunt number 4 gave us one 2009D, 9 1940s, 7 1950s. That's it. Please like and subscribe if you like this content, and I will see you at the next video. I got 3 more to go on this 18,000 nickel hunt.